miners, and wow is right. We have an actual withdrawal from Bitcoin miner BTC Cloud Miner, or the purple app, which is what we call it in our community. And it also has one other update I thought that was worth showing, so let's start with the withdrawal. So if you go into your wallet tab, you can see that they have rewards for 1,000 Satoshis for 100 points. Everything before this has had a minimum of at least 2,000, so this is actually obtainable. And as of the making of this video, I have 1,600 points. I made a permanent purchase a while back, and even though I have 1.6 terahash per second, it doesn't really mean anything as the rewards really fluctuate depending on who the owner is or just how many points they want to give you at any point in time. But anyway, enough of that. You can see on the top I put in my email, which is the account I have for this app. I picked the rewards for 1,000 Satoshis, which is 0.00001. And then next they allow a withdrawal to a speed wallet. So I'm going to head to my speed wallet. And if you scroll down on the main page, you can see where it says Cloud Mining Pro at speed.app. That's what I'm going to be copying. So let's copy that and head back to the app. And I obviously had it up before, but I just wanted to show you where I got it. So I got Cloud Mining Pro at speed.app. And then below that, you put your county and your city. I have mine blanked off for obvious reasons. So once all that's put in, you're going to click Redeem Reward. It'll bring you to this Confirm Withdrawal screen. You're going to click Yes, Proceed. And in about 5 minutes, the 1,000 Satoshis were sent directly to my speed wallet. I was pretty impressed. And when you come back to the wallet, you can notice that I have a 12-day cooldown. So I don't know how many of these 1,000 Satoshi gift card, quote-unquote gift cards they have. So what I'm going to do is every 12 days, I'm going to try to withdraw my 1,000 Satoshis. You know, I don't know how long this is going to last. Going to try to ride it out as long as I can. But really, even with my permanent 1.6 terahash per second, it's gaining points so slowly that I'm not counting on anything beyond my 1,500 points at this point going forward. But this is some good news. You know, getting some Satoshis from this app, you know, I've had these points for a long time, is pretty nice. Next, let's go to where it says Mining Store. This is the next update I wanted to show you. So if you click Open. So as you can see, they brought back the ability to buy mining power. So this first one for 79 cents lasts for only 24 hours. Obviously not worth it. But let's scroll down to the other ones. You see 200 gigahash per second, $9. 450 gigahash per second, $15, etc., etc. So back when this app first came out, they had a spin wheel, and I won 1.6 terahash per second, which I mentioned earlier. Not really gaining hardly anything from that. So I would just avoid buying anything from this. It just isn't worth it. And then you can see I ran the ads. I ran one of the claim boosts and ran one of the speed boosts, which gave me a total of 37 gigahash per second for 2 ads. And if I'm getting less than a point a day for 1.6 terahash per second, which is 1,600 gigahash per second, 37 is nothing. So there's either one of two options that are going on. Either these ads are just not worth doing because you're not going to hardly gain anything, or the gigahash that you gain from the ads are worth more than the permanent hash that I bought a while ago. Which would mean that the numbers are total BS and you just can't trust this app. So withdraw what you can. And if you have over 100 points, good luck. If not, you know, you can try running the ads, but I wouldn't count on anything like substantial. But anyway, like I said, I'm glad it's withdrawing. If anything major changes, I'll let you all know whether it's a video or a post. So hopefully the next video I make on this, if I do make a next video on this, is positive and not negative. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And even though this app does say that it does have referrals, I can't find it anywhere. So if you find value in these videos, I have memberships for 99 cents a month. You get these videos out earlier. And I don't take any sponsorships or any direct payments from any of these cloud mining apps. So these videos come out as unbiased as possible. So just know that when you do buy a membership, it really does make my day, really supports the channel, and is just greatly, greatly appreciated. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching. And until next time, I'll see you in the clouds.